just right from the lies I've been telling myself. To be honest, I have secrets that I always kept, and now it's time for me to get out and just.
Hi guys, I'm here again. I'm Wambu M. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for subscribing. We are 10 subscribers, from 4 to 10. Thank you so much, my good people. Today I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. Today we are going to make some nice food. Yeah, some rice, yes, and you're much welcome. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, sharing. Thank you so much, you're good people. I love you. Clock it, clock it. Yes, thank you guys. Continue subscribing. If you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's cook some mchele. Sawa, let's cook some rice, right? Karibuni. Welcome. Guys, that's my hair. I really love it. It's been long since I did these Ghanaians. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making rice kamande. Karibuni, welcome. There are my ingredients for kamande. Yes, let's go.